Look, y'all, I'm back. I can't even get no rest. I'm gonna need for everybody to get together. I'm gonna need Austin Lane, Ted Foster, A&L Bill, uh, the, the funeral home over there on fire, all the directors and the pastors and the first ladies and Usher and Motherboard and everybody here. I can't get no rest. I even need all the protesters that's on Martin Luther King. No, it's not Martin Luther King. What's the name of that street? Goodfella and Delmar. Yeah, I need all them protesters to come to my house and stand outside with the sign outside my house and discriminate and protest because he discriminating on my sleep. Because I can't sleep like this. So I want y'all to get this out there and let them know that I need them, all them protesters over here. They supposed to be standing up for women, so can they stand up for me? Because I need them now. Because he discriminating against me. That nipple. Look like it's getting hard. It's just looking. I'm trying not to get it, but it's just there. Look at it. Look like he got the men in black dog in his stomach. Look at it. Like he got an alien. I know who he is. What's the name of that movie with the vampire? Can't think of the name of it. When the girl had that baby and that boyfriend, her husband, was trying to bring her back to life, he's biting on her. Her body was moving like that. That's how he looking right now. Yeah, I get all the... See, look, this don't make no... He got an alien. He's possessed. I don't know. Something ain't right over here, y'all. Y'all need to help us, please. Get everybody together. Meet me outside. Because I'm tired. I'm so tired. I can't do this. He over there snoring and sleeping and hiccuping at the same time. And I'm woke and tired. That's kind of backwards. I can't get no rest. I can't. I need channel 4, channel 5, 11, and 30. Could y'all contact Father Bob, please? San Francisco Connection, Urban League. Somebody. Get him over here right now. Dirk, Real STL News. Somebody need to get over here and help us.